This tutorial shows you how to download, install, and set it up for coding. First, open your browser. Go to the official CodeLocks website. After that, tap on Downloads. Tap on Download the binary release. From there, select the Windows installer with MingGW setup file. Tap the download link to save the file. At this point, open the downloaded setup file. Tap Yes if prompted by user account control. In the next step, tap I agree on the license screen. Keep the default component selected and tap Next. Following this, choose the install location or keep the default path. Tap Install. Once done, wait for the installation to complete. Tap Next once it finishes. From here, tap Finish to close the setup. At this stage, open CodeLocks from the desktop shortcut or Start menu. If prompted to select a compiler, choose GNU GCC compiler and tap OK. Keep in mind, CodeLocks comes bundled with MingGW, so you don't need to install a separate compiler. Finally, create a new file and run a simple program to confirm everything works. And that's it. If this CodeLocks install guide helped you get set up, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.